My name is Sakina Barbhaya. I am from Dubai and I've lived all my life there. I have come to Istifada Ilmiyya. This is my third visit here in Surat. We come with the whole family. Istifada Ilmiyya is a very important occasion. It's becoming very important for us because I learn every time I come here, I learn something new. I'm able to guide my children. I bring them with me, and it is such a diverse thing where a 20-year-old and an 80-year-old is attending the same class every year. I think education should have no age limit. I want my children to be more inquisitive. We travel a lot, and coming to Istifada is another step forward where they can see their parents being more active in getting more knowledge. The most important thing that I have already learned in this session is that how to be more creative in taking care of the nature. Another thing about Istifada that I really love is I am able to meet my family. The major thing is I'm able to meet each one of them. I have so many friends around the world and I'm able to have dinners with them. We are able to meet, we are able to connect, we are able to attend classes again, we are able to learn so much again, and I'm able to be myself that I was when I was so young. And the whole environment here is so lovely and so beautiful that I think even the children are so curious, they are learning every day. And this is just a step forward. And every year I would want to come back here and teach my children and make them understand how the community comes together and takes in the whole environment and learns and socializes and meets. And the most important, of course, know more and more about the education and meeting more people.